Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Sologenic and COREUM. Going to Jupiter. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, guys, which has got an astonishing $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorite Ripple, Stellar, and XTC, and more, guys. So do check it out. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so check it out and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of both Sologenic and COREUM at the time of the recording, and let's see what they have been up to lately. So guys, this is the price of Sologenic. The price is down 3.05% for the day. The market cap is $45 million. The volume is also down 36.42%. And as far as COREUM is concerned, guys, it is also down 2.08% for the day, although the volume of COREUM is up 12.82%, guys, 1.95 million. So this is good in my opinion. The volume is up. What just happened? Just a moment over here. So yeah, it's 1.95 million, and the market cap is $38.52 million. Guys, the entire market is almost red. I saw the market. There are really few projects that are doing good at the moment. Although if you look at the monthly chart of COREUM, the price is down 5.70%. It went as low as 0.08859, as high as 12 cents, and then came back down and now tested this support over here. I told you guys that the 10-cent mark is a crucial support, a crucial psychological level. I've told you time and again that when a price kills a zero, it is really difficult to add it back up. There is a lot of buying seller in these price ranges. So this has happened, although it went as low as 0.089809, but it quickly comes back and reclaims that killed zero, guys. This is a psychological level. Overall, COREUM is really down in the early as well. From 30 cents, it is down to basically 10 cent, really down. It went from 0.07618 to the 30-cent mark and then came back down again. If you look at the all-time chart, it is down 85.95%. It has a lot of upwards potential from this market cap, guys, 38.52 million, because it remains undervalued if you really believe in COREUM as well as Sologenic, guys. Both of them are down. If you truly have conviction in them, then these are the prices to be getting in my opinion, and DCing. I'm not saying that they might not go down further, but in my opinion, these are the price ranges from which we never know when the price will suddenly go back up and what will happen. They might come back down and even test new lows, but in my opinion, it is extremely undervalued, and it is rational to believe that the price will go up from here. Obviously, guys, so this is just my take on it, not financial advice, because the market cap is low and their use case is great. The tokenization realm and a lot of stuff that COREUM and Sologenic are doing in terms of targeting enterprises, institutions, they can be huge, guys. So look at this post. It is moments like these, posts like these, and news like these that basically makes me at least a bit bullish on their future from these price levels. Check this out. This is from PRX64. This is great for COREUM. We're going to one of Jupiter's moons for real. So basically, according to him, we're going to Jupiter's moon. I mean, so let's see what this is all about. COREUM Wave 3 Builder Spotlight. Just a moment. It's simple. TriWeb API allows millions of JavaScript and TypeScript developers to easily build on the blockchain. with pre-built modules for smart contract development, storage, and node management. Projects can plug and play their current tech stack with Web3 functionalities, making it easier to build on COREUM. So if it is not easy to build on COREUM, guys, or any blockchain, why would developers waste their time, guys? So this is great. Superledger, Wave 3. Let us look into this.
Building in Web3 can be a complex process. From smart contracts to blockchain integration, things can get messy quick. Luckily, COREUM has TriWeb API, allowing you to build on Web3 just like Web2. Using JavaScript or TypeScript, any developer can use pre-built modules to get their projects off the ground and running, scale to their liking, and also own the code deployed.
Obviously, guys, if it is easy to build for developers, they will prefer it. Check this out: DeFi, NFT, use cases, the gaming sector. These are huge sectors, guys. These are huge sectors like NFT. I'm going to be sharing you an NFT marketplace built on COREUM as well. Gaming, DeFi, their Pulsara DEX, guys. COREUM's Pulsara DEX is bound to be huge as well, in my opinion. It has great potential, social, security, governance, infrastructure. This is great.
Seamless plug and play. Bring your ideas to life in minutes. TriWeb API allows you to create next-generation dApps built on COREUM. Easily integrate
By the way, guys, check this out. Smart tokens, IBC connectivity, and check this out. ISO 20022 compatibility as well. What else do we have here? Social media marketplaces, escrow dApps, lending dApps, DEX DAOs, staking dApps, P2E games. Check out this, guys. Ethereum, Solana, Nair protocol. So if the builders, developers that are well acquainted with their languages, if they come and build on COREUM, then the value obviously has the
modules and
potential to increase.
Features like ISO 20022 messaging and smart token technology for your project. Check out TriWeb API and start building. Visit our website to learn more.
Guys, this is great. I really like updates, and I really like the projects that constantly build and develop. Check this out. In the vision of CEO, where TriWeb APIs will support many programming languages and blockchain integrations, making COREUM accessible to anyone with basic coding skills and helping teams ship 100x faster. Let us look into their official hex handle, and I'm going to be sharing with you their NFT marketplace as well that they have built currently. This is the DEX, guys, Pulsara DEX. What else do we have? Advancing digital identity. Awesome. It's so exciting when vision becomes reality. Past months, we've been in build mode for COREUM Official. We successfully integrated COREUM with our platform, offering a practical solution to projects to stress test their tech before deploying on chain. Awesome. Constant updates, guys. This is June 1. I really like when projects X handle is active because we get a lot of news as well as developments. COREUM's first native NFT marketplace, Bits and Core, is now live on testnet. Users can easily trade, manage, and test collection mechanics in a secure environment before launch. So this is their NFT marketplace as well. If we look at Sologenic as well, guys, they are basically giving updates as well. This is June 5th. Apex 2024, hosted by Ripple, is the largest annual XRPL summit. Tune in as Sologenic CTO Reza Bashash takes the main stage for a panel alongside XLR Network and Ripple X developer. So, guys, this is great. I talked with you guys. They are basically Sologenic CTO will be talking in Apex 2024. He will be taking center stage, which is basically scheduled for Thursday, June 13th at 11 p.m. 11 p.m. What? 11 a.m. CET. So, guys, do check it out. I hope we get good updates from Mr. Raza as well. What else do we have when it comes to Sologenic over here? Any new news? So yeah, excitement is building for XRPL Apex. We're thrilled to announce the second wave of visionary speakers joining us in Amsterdam this June. Get ready for profound insights and pioneering innovations, shaping the future of finance and blockchain technology. Awesome. Just a moment. Let me open this page here. So let's see what speakers do we have, which and who is talking. Amsterdam, 11th to 13th June. By the way, guys, this is hosted by Ripple themselves, guys. So this is a really great opportunity for Sologenic to basically update us on what's happening, and they have they have the opportunity to basically increase and expand their network. XRP Ledger Apex 2024, hosted by Ripple, is the largest annual summit on the XRPL calendar. It unites developers, businesses, fintechs, VCs, and the wider community. So 70 plus speakers, out of which Raza is also one of those, and 60 plus sessions, 700 plus attendees. And these are not just attendees, guys. These are the people from various spheres of development, businesses, fintech. So this is awesome. Check this out, guys. Contributing, this is AWS, Amazon Web Services. I guys, I want to talk about Casino Coin as well. It's been on my radars for such a long time, guys. I really want to make a video on this. It's been a while. I want to basically cover this as well. uh, it's been a few months or almost an year since I got to know about the casino coin, but it's been a while since I've covered it. It is also built on the XRPL, so I hope we cover it soon, guys. So check this out. SBI Holdings, XRP Cafe, UK Center for Blockchain Technology. Really good sponsorships over here. And basically, this is what assures me and guarantees a bit that the price of Sologenic will not remain undervalued for a while now, guys. They will gain exposure. They are rubbing shoulders with a lot of industry giants. So really, Sologenic and COREUM both have great potential, guys. Let's see how they do. Anyways, guys, do you think that Sologenic and COREUM have a shot at the moon? Do you hit the comment? Have a shot at Jupiter, by the way, Jupiter's moon. So do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.